Are you Mr. Gomez?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, both parties waived PSI.
We did, Judge.
According to your plea bargain agreement, punishments be assessed at a cap of 8 years in the prison. This run concurrent with 2023 CR 6499B. The state is opposed to your application. Is he currently on probation?
He's on parole, Judge.
Parole. Right. Are there any do you have any witnesses? Defense, any witnesses?
And Judge, I think the case that he's on parole for is a 2003, not 2023.
Oh, I'm so sorry. 2003 CR 6499B.
No witnesses, Judge, just argument.
All right,
Your Honor, the state's position is that Mr. Gomez is not fit for any type of community supervision, but rather for incarceration. He has already done 3 previous trips. The most recent being for an ag robbery in 2004, so because of that.
all right, defense.
Judge, I understand the state's argument. On paper, it looks bad, but Mr. Gomez here, he went to prison for a case out of 2003 for an ag robbery. He sat in prison for about 17 and a half years. He got out on parole, has been working at Paisano's restaurant as a chef for the last 4 years. He was helping to raise his three boys, helping his elderly mother. Everything had been going well. He was doing well at work. What was the name of the chef you were working under?
Under Chef Raul.
Under Chef Raul, he had high hopes. And it's true that the path to hell's paved with good intention, Judge. His brother needed someplace to stay. He felt he couldn't let his brother live out on the street, so he let his brother live with him. Unfortunately, the brother ended up having a warrant for his arrest. When a warrant was executed at his house, they came in, they found the brother, they found a gun. Because it's his house, he was charged. Mr. Gomez knew he could take this to trial. He didn't want to waste waste the court's time. He knew that he made a mistake by having his brother live there. It was his house, thus he was in possession. And so we took this plea. We're hoping that you give him this opportunity to prove himself. I know it's based on his record, it looks bad, but you know, he did spend his time. It was 22 years ago that the ag robbery occurred, and he was trying to do well. If you can give him an opportunity, he can prove himself, Judge. He's willing to abide by any condition.
All right, is there anything you wish to say?
No, Your Honor.
All right, in the stipulations, you admitted that you're the person who purchased the weapons.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so, I mean, I don't think you're a good candidate. I mean, you should have known, you can't purchase weapons. All right? So, the court is going to find you guilty. The state is asking for a cap of 8 years. Is there any argument with regards to the cap?
Just simply, Judge, that he was trying to do well. He knows he made a mistake. He's accepting responsibility for it, Judge, by taking this plea and not making the state take him to trial and waste the court's time. So we're asking that you be as lenient as you can.
All right, and state.
The cap is more than generous considering the prior criminal history, so we would just ask the consent.
All right, the court will follow your agreement. The court will find you guilty, sentence you to 8 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's $1,000 fine. Time and money will run concurrently. This will run concurrent with 2023 CR 6499B. I'm sorry, not 2023. It will run concurrent with 2003 CR 6499B. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing?
No, Your Honor.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and as you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. You know what position you're in. you know, if you don't know, if you didn't know before, you now know. You're not allowed to possess weapons. You're a felon, right? And you shouldn't let anybody in your space that is going to potentially result in you being charged with something that's illegal because you know what you're facing. All right, good luck to you, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. Anyone else?
Yes, ma'am. Joshua Sutherland, page 2.
All right, we're back on the record. Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. The state is proceeding on count two, possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. That's a third-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, if for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you're giving up those rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand that the deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, he has.
Counsel, do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
He was.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes to both.
Mr. Alatorre, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, Your Honor.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
Yes.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you're not a U.S. citizen, by entering this plea, you will be deported, denied naturalization, and reentry. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived in jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 2, waiving count 1. There's $1,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. They were taken in consideration 2025 PF 07403. Did you understand that to be your plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Judge, but I forgot to go back to the prosecutor. She in 5 years. The agreement was for 5 years.
No, you can't agree to the length.
Oh, okay. I thought we had an, I thought it was in the file.
Yes, below.
Oh, okay. Very good.
So did you understand that to be the plea?
That's our agreement, Judge.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No.
Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 5 years. There be a TAP evaluation, 120 hours of community service restitution. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to count 2, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State, any evidence?
Yes, Your Honor. State Officer States Exhibit 1 and all attachments.
I reviewed those documents with my client. We have no objections.
All right, state, you may be excused. Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Again, did you understand you have a right to a jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, I'm gonna need you to speak up.
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, state defense. I endeavor to stay in my lane, but this is a possession, 1 to 4 grams. And the weight of the drug, according to the lab report, is 1 gram plus or minus 0.02 grams. So if y'all still want to go forward with this defense, I will, but the range of punishment, I'm sorry, the offense is possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams. They did the weight of the drug, and when they did the weight of the drug, it's 1 gram plus or minus 0.02 grams.
I noticed that as well, Judge, and I discussed that with my client. Considering what the original offense was, we thought that was a good middle ground.
Okay, I mean, if this is what you all want to do. All right, thank you. All right, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Judge.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Nothing other than, as the court can see, this is his first offense, hopefully his last offense. He has no priors other than a couple of pending cases, rising out of the same offense. A date in.
What are the pending cases
this
arising out of
court.
this offense?
I think it's a UCW and a reckless driving.
And he doesn't have any other criminal history?
That's my understanding.
He has no other criminal history, and the defense counsel said the reckless driving did step from this house, taken into consideration, and then the UCW is gonna be filed in rent.
I just want to know. All right, court is going to sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. There's regular reporting by Zoom or in person, regular random UAs. Are you currently employed?
Yes,
Doing what?
I work at AutoZone as a commercial driver, Your Honor.
Okay. Proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Do you have any children?
Your Honor.
All right, there's to be a TAP evaluation out of custody, follow recommendations. Do you live with anyone who has children?
No, I live with my grandmother, Your Honor.
Okay. No residing in households with minors?
No, yeah.
Oh, that's what I'm ordering. But thank you for letting me know. There's to be 120 hours of community service restitution. What's your dream job? Are you doing your dream job or?
My dream job is, I'm not currently doing my dream job. My dream job is what I'd like to say. I wanted to apply to be an electrician. I already had my my electrical apprentice license. I just need to go and like do like hours. So I've worked under like master electrician for a couple hours, but I need to reapply for my electrician license.
All right, there'll be 120 hours community service restitution. If you obtain your trade school certification or whatever certification you need, be it to be an electrician or a welder or whatever it may be, the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. Otherwise, you're going to have to do the community service hours. There's going to be field visits 1 time per month for 3 months. Probation, is there anything else? Anything else you need from the court to be successful? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
I understand, Your Honor.
All right, we've got the record in this court to be successful. Communication is key. Do not disappear on probation. If there's an issue, let probation know about it. If you feel they're not addressing it, you can always come back and address it with me. You understand? Now, as a side note, here's my question. The piercings on the cheek, does that hurt?
No, Your Honor. I mean, it's a pinch.
Oh, and do they go underneath the skin? I always wonder if you want it yourself, are you able to do that or no?
This one specifically, it doesn't need a doctor to put in, so, I can remove it by taking off the top and it's a bar under my skin.
Oh, do you just unscrew it or?
Yeah.
Okay, I always have these questions. All right. Good luck to you. Just probation will go over conditions with you, then you'll be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.